Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get a white background in MS Word. Let's begin. We'll show you the both methods for Mac and Windows users. First, open Microsoft Word on your Mac. Next, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on Word. From the drop-down menu, select Preferences. Once you're in Preferences, click on the General section at the top left corner. You'll find Personalize options. Here, you'll see the option to turn off dark mode. Additionally, you can choose between different variations, either dark mode with a darker page color or dark mode with a white page color. Simply click on the option that suits your preference to get the desired white background while using dark mode. That's it. Now you can work comfortably in MS Word on your Mac without the dark background interfering with your content. If you're using Windows, you can get the same option, but not in Preferences. Instead, click on File, go to More, then Options. In the General section, you'll see Office Theme. Here, you can select from black, white, gray, or colorful to customize the appearance of MS Word. Now, you're all set to work in a clean white background environment on both Mac and Windows. Thanks for watching.